whatever that is happening in Nigeria today, as regards Igbo and Nigeria, is spiritual. Yes. Unified Igbo movement now trending online, trending everywhere in the world, is a spiritual issue. It was ordained by God. As I told you last time we came here, I told you that on the 7th of April 2018, God gave me many messages concerning Nigeria in general and Igbo in particular, right?
Yes.
Now, on that same day, God spoke me in a trance. God told me that a time shall come in Nigeria when some of our brethren who are Igbos may deny being Igbos will come back to their senses and now beg the blood of the Igbo.